Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. So in today's video I'm going to show you everything I got for Black Friday, makeup related, and I'm going to play with some makeup, use the stuff that I bought, and tell you my thoughts. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. So I want to show you what I got. Let me just prime my face because I didn't get a primer. Still haven't been able to find my Hard Candy Hydrating Primer, which is my favorite, but they haven't brought it to none of the stores here. So I'm just going to use this one from Touch and Soul. So the first item that I got on Black Friday that week, because I didn't get nothing on Black Friday, I got everything Monday or Tuesday because the whole week they had the Black Friday sales. So first thing that I wanted to try, because I haven't tried it, is from Fenty. Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation, and I got it in shade 145, and this retails for $36 and they had it for $18. So she looks like, so yeah, looks pretty good. Let's see. It's so hard to pick your right shade online. It's so hard. I'm just gonna squeeze a pump right here and see. I haven't heard that many people talk about this one. I mean, when it first came out, yeah, the hype of it, but not afterwards. At least I don't think. Now, what concerns me is that it says hydrating, but it doesn't say dewy. So, is it a dewy foundation, or is just like a hydrating foundation, or is that the same thing? I don't know. Add a little bit more like that, just to add it right here. I want to show you with and without in case you're interested in it. So I only use one pump, right? One pump that I did here and a small one up here. You can see the with and without. It has pretty good coverage. It's not full. Does this claim to be full? Medium to full coverage, so I guess you can build it up. Right now it's looking medium. I guess if I use like a second pump, it will probably look like it's full coverage. But lately I haven't been really liking full coverage foundations. I like light to medium. So for me, I'm just gonna leave it with one pump. It is hydrating. It does not feel dry at all, but it seems like it's very shiny. It has like a glow to it, which worries me because of my oily skin. And I got scared with the shade, but it's actually pretty accurate. It does have that little hint of paint smell, which some foundations have, which I don't like, but it's very little. It's not that strong. She's good. She's looking good upon first impressions. Seems dewy though. I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm gonna powder and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back to show you the next item. So the next item that I got is an eyeshadow palette, which is the Nightmare Before Christmas palette from ColourPop. I wasn't so excited when this first came out because it didn't give me like Nightmare Before Christmas vibes. You know what I mean? It's not packaging is gorgeous, by the way, and it has glitter. This packaging is amazing. I love the packaging. I knew that I was gonna love the packaging. But let me show you the colors. This retailed for $22 and they had a 50% off, so it came out to $11. That's why I decided to get it. So I was like, okay, I'll get it now. Because the colors are not bad. The colors are pretty. Look at that. And that over there. I don't mind the colors. It's just, it didn't scream out to me Nightmare Before Christmas colors, you know, because I see a lot of hot pinks here. There's a lot of pinks. It's like 3 shades right there. They're pink. I do like the cool tones up here. I love that. But then we have the... What palette doesn't have a color like this? You know, every single palette has like a pale gold like this. And I'm just sick of it. What this palette was really missing for me was a green. How do you not have a green and call it Nightmare Before Christmas? You know what I mean? It needed a green. But since it had a 50% off and it came out to only $11, I snatched it. And I also got, it came out with 3 of the jelly shadows. I think they're called jelly shadows, something like that. And out of the 3, I only liked 1. And these retail for $10 and it was only $5. So I got the only color that I liked, which was this one. And the packaging, I mean, look at that. It is so pretty. I got this one. And I've never tried this before. It's like blue, purple, depending how the light hits you. It's like it could be blue or purple. So I like that one a lot because the other 2 I didn't like that much. And I've never tried this, so I was like, well, it's $5. I'll try it now. I don't know what look to do, if I can incorporate this with the look. Give me a second to think what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with this shade right here. It's called Christmas Town. And I'm just gonna put this right over here. Did you get this palette? This came out in November. And it's funny that it came out at the beginning of November. Well, you know, the regular price. And then a couple of weeks later, like 3 weeks later, they put it 50% off. So that makes me think that it didn't do as well as they were hoping, I think. Because a lot of people thought the same thing, that it didn't give them really like Nightmare Before Christmas vibes. And everybody was complaining about the same thing, that it didn't have a green eyeshadow, which it would have been perfect with the green. At least 2 shades of green. That would have been awesome. That's all I'm gonna do with that color. I'm gonna deepen this area over here with this shade. They're very similar. What? It doesn't seem like it's the color from the pan. Just trust the process. This is gonna look so messy at the beginning. Now with the smaller brush, I'm gonna take this one, the black one. It's called Halloween Town. I use those sequin eyeshadows as mattes. It's just a matte. I'm gonna take this color up here and fade that black a little bit. So now I'm gonna cut the crease right in here, this portion, because I want to add another color there. To do that, I'm going to use the same concealer I was using from the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm going to use a flat brush like this. Well, it's not that flat anymore, but it used to be flat. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Is it the best cut crease? No, but let's move on. At least I tried. So I think I'm going to take one of these 2 or both. Let's start with this one right here. Let's start with that one first, and I'm going to use the broken nail that I have so I can use my finger. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner. I can't do that over here, so let me see if I can. I should have broken both nails then. It would have been a lot easier. Yeah, I can't do it this way. I'm gonna have to use a brush. Now I'm gonna take that lightest shade. Going to take this shade Put it on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade, the purple shade in here. I'm going to take this Juvia's cream eyeliner in the shade Royal, I think it's called. Yeah. I'm going to take this Bella Pierre liquid eyeliner because I can't find the other one that I always use. And I'm going to do a wing eyeliner. I'll be right back. My battery's running low, so the next item I got was the KVD Beauty lipstick in shade Lolita, which retails for $20 and I got it for $10. I wanted this color for a while now and it was always out of stock. So when I saw that it was available, I had to purchase it. I don't know if it goes with this look, like mauve. And from Lunar Beauty, I got this color called Starlight, the lip gloss. I love his lip glosses. And this retails for $17 and it was $11.90. Look how beautiful the packaging is. It's a beautiful shade. You can wear this alone or on top of another color. Oh, it smells so good. So that's basically everything I bought for Black Friday. This is the final look. What do you think? I hope you like it. And I had lipstick on my teeth. I still have to try this, but it didn't go. I don't think it goes with this look, so I'm gonna skip on it. But everything else I liked. I liked everything, really. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you can. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. What the hell happened here? How did this get wedged in here? I just dug my nail in it. Great! Fantastic! I did it again. I didn't wet her. Seriously, unbelievable. Oh my eye. My eye. So hot. It got so hot. You want it right here. This I want to blend. Blend for the love of Jesus, blend.